What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So I'm going to give you guys some tips and tricks, basically just anything I can think of during the course of this gameplay. First of all, if you want to know where enemies are, if you don't know where they're at near you, basically, if you want to know where enemies are, basically hold the right bumper and turn around. You see how I kind of lose frames per second when I'm looking at the group of people? That means that there's enemies within 200 to 300 yards of your location in that direction. So if you guys are on the map and you're starting to lose your frames a little bit, that means there is people around you. This is on the Xbox gameplay, by the way. I'm playing on Xbox One X. That is always true. I have never found that to fail me. So if you're running that location, you're going to find action, basically. So second of all, let's go ahead and find... I'm going to drop at my favorite loot spot. I'm going to show you guys another parachuting trick. So let's go ahead and do a parachuting trick, because I want to go to my favorite building over here on Military Island, which is this one right here. So let's go ahead and show you guys a parachuting trick. If you guys are having trouble gliding long distances, basically I could jump out right here, and I can glide all the way over almost to that coast. I could probably glide to Primorsk from here. So what you're going to want to do when you jump out is use your right stick forward on your left stick, and all the way forward on your left stick, and then look at the horizon with your right stick. You want the horizon to be parallel with where you're looking, parallel with your screen, cutting it in half, basically. You'll glide the farthest direction that way. And then obviously you want to pull your chute a little bit early if you don't think you're going to make it. And then you want to hold slightly forward on your left stick until you're going about 20 to 25 kilometers an hour. And you will glide the farthest you can go in this game. And we usually get some good gear in here. Look at that. We got an M4 right away. Wonderful. And medkit. Oh, perfect. So I'm going to show you guys a little something about your sights. So this works for 4 times, 2 times, red dot, and hollow. So what you want to do is you want to aim down sights. If you want to adjust the brightness on your reticle, hold right bumper and up and down on your left pad, or your left stick. That'll adjust the brightness on your reticles. If you guys can see that, it's pretty freaking cool. I like to run it right about there so that there's no glare. But anyways, yeah, pretty cool. I'll show you guys my settings real quick. I'll go ahead and show you guys that. So my general sensitivity 5, vehicle 5, targeting 6, scoping 6, 2 times 5, 4 times 4, 4, 4, and aim acceleration 0. So if you guys don't know what aim acceleration is, it's when you look right and then it automatically speeds up for you. And then also the dead zone I have set to 9 because my right stick is a little bit loose. If I were to put it at 0, my guy would constantly be going like this. And we got him. All right, boys. Nice. That's what you get for sound whoring. This guy missed it 2 times. Look at him. Sorry, dude. Had to kill you. Let's go ahead and loot his body. Who did he kill? I'm not even sure. So let's grab that 4 times scope. Let's pick up some 7.6 just in case we need it. Wow, he has 2 4 times scopes. Oh, another tip for you guys. So in the UASs, you have 3 different types of UASs. You have one that's no top at all. It's just a couple bars on it, tube frame, rollover cage. And then you have the UAS that's the rag top. And then you have the UAS that is the hard top. The hard top cannot be shot through. The rag top can be shot through, so it's less armor. And the one with no top, obviously, you're fully exposed, besides those pipes, you're fully exposed to the elements around you and all of the bullets that will be flying at you. You will be absorbing all of them. But as for the hard top, like the one I'm in now, it is actually pretty beneficial. So we might die on the bridge here. When you get on bridges that you think might be bridge camped already, you always want to swerve left and right, just in case. Because you never know if there's going to be somebody watching. If you guys didn't know, the first circle on Xbox now is much larger. Ah, crap. Vehicles take way too much damage. Tip number 5. Never forget it. what you guys need to do is you need to wear dark clothing. Wear dark clothing. The reason why I say that is because when you wear dark clothing, if you're wearing a red shirt like I'm wearing right now, you're highly visible in the grass. I always go for the dark level 2 helmet instead of the light one. I usually don't take level 3 backpacks unless I need a lot of ammo for something, like a 249 or something like that. But always wear dark clothing and also level 3 backpacks will give you away if you're crawling through the grass. Anything shorter than this tall stuff right here. Anyways, guys, that's pretty much all the tips I have for you guys. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you leave a like and a comment down below. Anyways, guys, we'll see you in the next one. Stay frosty.